and welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and this is the home of phonics where we're going to teach you all of the sounds and help you with your English pronunciation. Okay, so in today's lesson we are going to look at two digraph sounds. Okay, a digraph is when two letters make one sound. Okay, so we have the digraph sound here of C and K, and a C and K together just make the K sound. Okay, just a singular K sound. K, 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 K. So C and K together just make one K sound. Okay, make sure you're saying it at home with me as well. So let's put this digraph sound into some words then. Okay, so our first one is lock. Okay, lock. L-O-K. Lock. L-O-K. Lock. L-O-K. Lock. The door has a lock. Okay, so here we have 4 letters and 3 sounds. Lock. Okay, super. Let's go on to our next word then. Okay, we ought to do it quick. Okay, quick. Qu, in, k. Quick. Qu, in, k. Quick. I ran the race with a quick time. Okay, qu, in, k. Quick. Okay, we've got the qu sound, the Q and U together making the qu sound, qu, I, k, quick. Okay, how many letters does quick have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 letters. How many sounds? Qu, I, k, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 sounds, 5 letters for quick. Okay, and next one we have, or the last one we have for this sound is kicked. K, I, k, t. Kicked. K, I, k, t. Kicked. Okay, got the k, I, k, t. Kicked. And here we have ed at the end, and this makes the t sound in this word. It can make the d sound and it can make the id sound, but in this word it makes the t sound. Kicked, kicked. I kicked the football. Could be a sentence there. Okay, so anyway, let's go through these sounds and words again. Say it with me at home. K, k, lock, lock, lock. Quick, quick, quick. And kicked, kicked, kicked. Okay, so let's go on to our next digraph then. Okay, so the next digraph sound we have today is the sound. Okay, your mouth is open and your tongue is touching the top of your mouth. Okay, so so the N and G letter shapes together in a word make the sound. And you'll usually find this sound at the end of words, not always, but usually. Okay, so let's put the sound into some words then. Okay, so our first word is ring. Okay, ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. I am wearing a ring. Okay, R-I-N-G. Ring. Okay, so remember a digraph sound is when 2 letters make 1 sound. So we have 2 letters making 1 sound here. 2 letters, 1 sound. Ring. Okay, or the phone will ring is another meaning of this word. Okay, so going on to our next word with the ng sound in it is strong. Okay, strong. S, t, r, o, ng. Okay, so here we've got some adjacent consonants. We've got 3 consonant sounds next to each other. Okay, we've got s, t, and r. Okay, together we need to blend them quickly to make a str sound. Str. Okay, str, str. They are still individual sounds, but we're blending them quickly together. So it's str, o, ng. Strong. Str, o, ng. Strong. I am strong could be a sentence you could have. Strong. Okay? And finally, we have another one, a last one, which is triangle. Triangle. Tr, I, a, ng, o. Triangle. Tr, we've got 2 adjacent consonants, t and r, make a tr sound. Tr, I, a, ng, o. Triangle. Okay, we have the I here making the I sound. That sometimes happens. Tr, I, a, ng, o. Triangle. Okay, O sound at the end as well. So, how many letters is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. How many sounds? Tr, I, a, ng, o. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sounds. Okay, so let's go through these all again together. Say it at home with me so you're practicing. Ng, ng, ng. Ring, r, I, ng. Ring. Strong, str, o, ng. Strong. And triangle, tr, I, a, ng, o. Triangle. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll hopefully see you on the next lesson. Okay, goodbye. Thank you very much for watching the Phonics channel today. Please leave a like on the video, and also please subscribe to the channel so you can see future phonics videos. Also, feel free to share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Also, check out the links in the description of the video as well. Have a great day.